Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to reset a forgotten password on Windows. Start by plugging in or mounting the Windows installation USB or CD and restarting your computer in installation mode. Use the Shift and F10 keyboard shortcuts on the setup page to open command prompt. Next, you need to access the Windows root directory. It can generally be the drive C or D or other letter. So, you may need to find the correct drive letter. You can confirm the location using the dir command. If the result shows the program's files and Windows folders, you're on the right path. After that, type the following command to access the root folder of your Windows installation and press enter. Type the following command to navigate to the System32 folder and press enter. Next, type the following commands to replace the Utility Manager button with direct access to the command prompt from the sign-in screen and press enter on each line. Then, type the following command to restart your computer normally and press enter. Now, on the sign-in screen, click the Utility Manager button in the bottom right corner to open command prompt. Type the following command to change the administrator password. Once complete, close the command prompt and log into your administrator account with the new password. So now you have completed the password reset step, and you can log into Windows. However, we have a problem the next time you enter the login screen. You or someone else can also open the command prompt window to use the commands again and reset the password. So what you need to do is restart your computer and repeat the above steps to enter the Windows setup screen again. In the command prompt window, type the following commands. Next, type the following command to disable the administrator account and press enter. The purpose of this is so that when you enter the login screen, you will no longer be able to start the command prompt file. Then type the following command to restart the computer normally and press enter. This should restore the original functionality of the Ease of Access utility. Start by plugging in or mounting the Windows installation USB or CD and restarting your computer in installation mode. Use the Shift and F10 keyboard shortcuts on the setup page to open command prompt. On the command prompt window, type regedit and press enter to open registry editor. On the registry editor window, find the H key local machine key in the list on the left pane. After selecting the key, on the menu, select File and select Load Hive. Next, on the Load Hive dialog box, select the following file. Enter any name you want for the Hive you are loading. Then, navigate the following. Edit the CMD line parameter and set it to cmd.exe. Change the value of the setup type D word parameter to 2. Next, on the registry window, select the added key in the left pane list and select File. Continue to select Unload Hive. Then, close Registry Editor and all open Windows again. Your Windows computer will now restart. The screen will now look like the following. Type the following command to change the administrator password. Once complete, close the command prompt and log into your administrator account with the new password. Now, reopen Registry Editor. On the registry window, navigate to the following key. Edit the CMD line parameter and set the value to blank. Change the value of the setup type D word parameter to 0 to restore the file settings to their original state. close the registry editor window and the command prompt window to continue. Windows will now restart. Once the boot process is complete, you can use the password you just set to log into your Windows computer.